So for those that were asking me how to make a Creamy-Steamy Earl, this is Earl Grey cream tea, and as you can see, it's lovely. It smells as fantastic as it looks. Yeah, Elizabeth Noble, enjoy the rest that I sent to you because I would never drink it. I don't know if you can see how big that is. There's a lot there. We put 2 heaping teaspoons in here in our little steeper. And then we've got our lovely teapot. Water is about 180 Fahrenheit. And pour it so you have enough space for your milk. Now I just got this and I love it. It is a frother, a milk frother. And I like 2 different kinds of creamer. This is a sweet cream and I don't want it too sweet, so I mix it with 2% milk. And you don't need a lot of this. I mean, there's a lot of space in here, but I'm doing like 50% of the sweet cream and then 50% of milk. And let that froth. And that'll just spin up and make a lovely froth on it. And this really is just a tea latte. I mean, when we get down to it, but I think it is awesome, awesome. And especially, you know, this time of the pandemic, you're working from home. You want to make sure that you have something really good to drink. Now, I don't leave my tea too long to steep. I don't want bitter tea. I don't like my tea to get bitter. So as you can see here, this is just about finished. There's a good color. But do your tea to the kind of what you like. So if you like it darker, no problem whatsoever. And our frother is done. And then you can top it off any way you want. I'm going to do a little bit of granulated honey on mine, just to make it pretty. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Enjoy.